Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change your account password on TikTok or set it up. So let's go ahead and start the video. First and foremost, what you need to do is go ahead and open TikTok and you can see profile on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the three lines on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it once again and go to settings and privacy. After you do so, tap on account. Then you can see the password option. Go ahead and tap on password and a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone for verification method. So wait for a while and you will be receiving a 6-digit code. So after you have received it, you can paste it here. So you can see the code has arrived. Just go ahead and copy the code and paste it. Wait for a while and the verification will be done. Now what you need to do is set up a password. It must have 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number and 1 special character. So go ahead and set up your password. After that, you can check your password once by clicking on this eye icon and tap on continue. Wait for a while and as you can see, your password has been changed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.